guys, today we're going to take a quick break from all the sneaker and mystery box unboxings, and we will just do a very quick look and unboxing of this really cool affordable smartphone. This is the Realme 3. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so, because apart from all the giveaways that we've been doing on this channel, which have been a lot, I am announcing a new giveaway. The moment we hit 200,000 subscribers, I will be giving away this smartphone, this very same smartphone that I have in my hand, away. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you guys click the links down below to the ongoing giveaways. And again, see you again on 200,000 when we announce the mechanics for the Realme 3 giveaway. This brand, Realme, just came out of nowhere. I mean, a lot of YouTubers have been doing videos on it. A lot of local Filipino blogs have been writing reviews, rave reviews at that on it. It even sold out on Shopee 3 times, I think, or 2 to 3 times ever since it became available online. And from what I heard, it will be available in physical stores here in the Philippines in the next few days, or it might be actually available when this video publishes. And that's the reason why I wanted to get my hands on it, to do a quick review just to see what all the fuss is about this smartphone. Now, to those who don't know, quick lowdown. This smartphone is 6,990 pesos. And that, I think, is one of the best selling points about it, because apparently the specifications that you get with this smartphone are the specifications that you usually get with smartphones that are selling for twice or 3 times the price, around 15,000 to 16 to 17,000 pesos. And now, we'll do the unboxing. Let's take a look and see if this is actually special and worth all the hype. Before anything, I just have to say, Realme, good job on the box, guys. I love the gray and yellow color blocking. Well, it still talks sneakers, even if it's smartphones. I just love the colors that you guys used. The yellow really pops with the gray color of the box. Really nice implementation of packaging, makes it look premium, and at the same time, you really wouldn't think that this is a smartphone that sells for just 6,990 pesos. And it also breaks out of the usual box molds that you get with smartphones in this price range. Usually you have like a print picture of the smartphone on the box. Here, all clean. Let's get straight to the unboxing. So here we have the box. It is in plastic, so we need our trusty off-white X-Acto knife. Ooh. First thing you see, you have a Realme packet with a bunch of stuff inside, which includes a silicone case that you can use with the phone. That's always a great thing when phone manufacturers and brands already include the accessories inside, so you don't have to, go out of your way to be able to buy them. Especially with all the different models of phones that come out, it is always welcome to be able to have like free cases already included in the pack. So there you have it. You have a silicone like smartphone case for your Realme, and then of course you have the actual smartphone. So it is still wrapped in that plastic that is so satisfyingly, nice to be able to peel off. So let's do that right now. So let's just, there you have it. Really nice. So you take out the cover, and then you have the phone itself. So we do have it in some sort of like, I don't know, like purple black gradient for the color of the back. Looks really premium, looks really nice. You have the NTC sticker that you can just peel off easily. Man, I'm really amazed at how nice the phone is considering the price that I paid for it. You have the dual camera setup here. You have the fingerprint sensor. You have that massive display with the front-facing camera. Wow. I mean, smartphones have gone a long way, guys. I've been doing tech, or I was in tech for a long time. And I can remember paying like 10,000 pesos for smartphones that were so much more inferior to what this already is, just by the mere aesthetics and industrial design that you have with the smartphone. From the curves to the design to the look to the way that the back is just really mesmerizing, man. Really looks nice. For a 6,990 smartphone. Now, what else is here? Of course, you have the charger, and then you have, you have the micro USB cable. So that's included. There are no headphones included in the packaging, so that's something that you will have to buy separately. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the Realme 3 smartphone. Now, I will be doing a full review of the Realme 3 in the coming days, so watch out for that. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can catch it when it goes up. But the two things that you have to remember about it if you are considering it, number one, it does come with a chipset that you usually get with smartphones at around 14 to 15,000 pesos, so that's great value for money. I think it's the Helio MediaTek P60 if I'm not mistaken, or P70, depending on where you bought it. That's a great processor if you're into like Mobile Legends or all the usual games that you usually play with your smartphone. Just don't set it like at ultra high graphics. Apart from that, it also has nightscape photography for the back, so if you want to take like nice photos at low light conditions, then this phone should work out. But again, from what I've read, and this is something that I will test, you have to keep your hands really steady, or you have to use like some sort of tripod so that it doesn't blur, because it does take some time to be able to take a really sharp shot during low light conditions. So just something to take into consideration. Again, hold your hand steady or use a tripod if it's going to be a night shot or a low light photography session with this smartphone. And that wraps up my quick unboxing of the Realme 3 smartphone. Guys, watch out for the full review. It should be coming to you very soon. And again, the moment we hit 200,000 subscribers, we will be announcing the mechanics, because we will be giving away this Realme 3 smartphone. That is it for the vlog for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Peace, God bless, what's up, have a great weekend, boom.